what I'll do is I'll open up the quiz and I'll go through the questions. Now, the questions won't be in the same order as when you did them, but they'll be the same questions anyways. Okay, so let me open up the quiz here. Oh yeah, I assume I have internet. Yeah, I do. It will be necessary for doing an online quiz. See, being stupid. Yeah.
What?
Are you being Gabi?
What is that? Gabi.
It means, are you a stupid boy?
Yeah, I understood that.
Okay, good. Right. And the answer to the question, are you being stupid?
No.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Right. You're distracting me now. I'm trying to get my keyboard turned on for your poor, tired teacher. Right. Okay. Are we in action yet? Ah, here we go. We're in action. Right. Now I just need to wait to get the password again, and then we can start it. Can you you all have the quiz open?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh goodness sake! Come on.
New laptop?
Yeah, but I'm cheap. I'm very, very cheap. You know, so I won't buy a new laptop until this completely stops working.
Yeah, I don't like Gordon.
Yeah, I'm very, very cheap.
You can
Very,
use
very-
your phone, like.
Yeah, I can use my phone. Let me just plug it in here.
I mean, your laptop, sorry.
Yeah, I'll just this iPhone 10.
Not even.
Yeah, early release.
11.
Yeah.
11.
It's not 11 already, is it? It's not 11 already.
7.
What's that? 7. All right. Okay. Right. All right. Let's have a look at Moodle then. Okay. DIFC Moodle.ie. Oh yeah. So the deadline for your coursework, I said I'd give it to you. So I think I'll make it the 5th of December. So I'm giving you loads of time here.
5th of December.
5th of December is a Monday. I mean, I'm giving you.
Yeah.
No,
One
5 to
morning.
13th, I think.
Okay. Well, anyways, all of you have a good bit of it started. In fact, some of you are practically finished. So you have loads of time. So you have plenty of opportunity to get an A* in this assignment or an A. Yeah.
What did you say about the answer? Like, you write it down or what?
What do you mean?
I mean the math part, because you said the.
Yeah, you should type up the maths, but you don't need to type every single detail, just the key parts.
If you scan it and put
No. It has to be typed. Yeah. Okay, so do you please make note of that date, write it down somewhere. 5th of December. 5th of December is when the maths coursework is due. Yeah? Okay.
We will have to give it anyway.
What's wrong, yeah? Question? No? So there's still lots of time for you to work on it, ask me questions and stuff like this. Okay, let's have a look at the mid-semester exam here.
Scroll and find it.
Okay, so let me do preview.
24 times.
No, that's all of you. There's 24 of you that
I
attempted.
don't know.
I don't need 24 attempts.
Yeah.
Okay.
You all need to.
Not to worry, shut up.
Yeah. Hey, Chub, okay? Chub. Yeah, Chub, you know? Chub. Yeah, please, thank you. Right, let's have a look here. So, can you all see that okay? So the first one is solve this equation. Okay, x squared minus 3x plus 2. Why isn't my pen working? Come on. Oh, it's not plugged in. Right. What was the equation? X squared minus 3x plus 2 less than or equal to 0? Yeah. Okay, less than or equal to 0. So there's two factors here. Minus 2 and minus 1. So that means we have the solution is between 1 and 2. So tell me, which is the right answer there? None of them. Very good. Right, so that one was okay. Let's see what the next one is. Let's see. Now this one's a little bit tricky. What is the sum of all positive 2-digit odd numbers? So all positive 2-digit odd numbers. So I was asking you to calculate this. 10 plus, sorry, not 10. 11 plus 13 plus 15, and continuing up until 99. Okay, so that, well actually I need to work out how many terms I have. A is 11 and D is 2. So we have A plus n minus 1 D should equal 99. So n minus 1 times 2 should equal 88. N minus 1 should equal 44. So n should equal 45. So the sum of 45 terms is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d, which will be 45 over 2. This is 88 plus 22. 88 plus 22. 110, isn't it? Yeah, 110. Then divided by 2 is 55. So it's 45 times 55. 2475. 2475. What's wrong?
I wrote that and then I...
You got it right the first time you did it. 2475 is this one. 2475. Okay, let's see what's next. Yep. I wrote in the question what odd means. I said it's like 1, 3, 5, and I wrote in what 2 digits means, like 10, 11, 12. Well, some people might not know these words if you've never seen them before, so I don't think this was too bad. Yeah, okay.
Or you can just add them up together.
You could?
11.
You didn't do it that way, did you?
No.
Yeah. Okay, next one now. It's being recorded as well. So, we want to simplify 1 plus root 2 over 3 plus root 8. So it was 1 plus root 2 over 3 plus root 8. Yeah? On the top I need 3 minus root 8, and on the bottom I need 3 minus root 8. So on the top, when I multiply, I get 3 minus root 8 plus 3 root 2 minus root 16. And then on the bottom, I'll get 9 minus 3 root 8 plus 3 root 8 minus root 64. The root 8 by root 8 is root 64. So on the top, I have 3 minus, now root 8 is 2 root 2, isn't it? Plus 3 root 2 minus 4, all over 9 minus 8, because they cancel. So on the top I'll have minus 1 plus 1 root 2, like this. So my answer for the boxes was, the first one is minus 1, and then the second one was plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 were the two terms here. So it was minus 1 and a plus 1 here. Okay. What's the name of this here? This one here, conjugate, yeah. Okay, can we look at the next one now? Yeah. The next one is, it's just a division. I can't quite see this. X cubed, can I zoom in?
X cubed plus 2x squared.
Yeah, let me just zoom in a little bit, or actually full screen might.
You can turn it on exactly.
Could, but then I'd have to move. Right. X plus 1 divided into x cubed plus 2, 2 and 1. Okay, plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Was it 3? No, two, yeah. Yeah, maybe it's a different one that you have there. Oh, I know, that's another one, another cubic was there. What's here? X squared, so this is x cubed plus x squared. I subtract, I'm left with x squared plus 2x plus 1. So this is an x squared plus x plus 1, so this is a 1. So was I looking for, yeah, it's here, it's a 1 and a 1. So 1 and 1 were the answers here. Okay, so here I wanted the roots of x squared minus 5x plus 6. X squared minus 5x plus 6. Well, the factors will be x minus 3 and x minus 2. So the roots are 2 and 3. For non-zero k, how many roots will this quadratic have? Was it 2? It was kx squared plus k plus 1 x minus k. So the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So that's k plus 1 squared plus 4k squared, which is a positive number, plus a positive number, which is a positive number. So if the discriminant is positive, it has 2. Is it possible for it to be 0? No, because when you make this one 0, this one is not 0. And if you made this one 0, this one's not 0. So it's never 0, it's always greater than 0. So the answer is 2 roots. So this one here is 2 roots. In the 8th row of Pascal's triangle, what is the sum of all the coefficients? That is total the 8th row of Pascal's triangle. So the long way to do it would have been like this. 8c0 plus 8c1, etc., etc. Or you could have gone this way if you were desperate. But if you notice here, this total is 1, which is 2 power 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, which is 2 power 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, which is 2 squared. This one here, 8, that's 2 cubed. Yeah. Now I showed you this in class. I remember showing you this in class. And we start counting at row 0. So row 8, the total would be 2 power 8. Now remember we call the first one row 0. We start counting at 0, yeah. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Yeah? Did anybody do it this way? The triangle?
I made the triangle and I can't see it again.
Okay.
Really?
This comes the 8 coefficient.
I did.
Hey, are you writing stuff down?
Yeah, but you said YouTube.
Write it down. Write it down. Write it down. Write it down.
Time there.
You're wasting too much energy stealing my energy. Work on maths, please.
Forward.
What? I don't even know what you're saying. Leave me alone. Right, can I do the next one? Yep, okay. So, next now, this one here, some people got it, some people didn't. You have 1 million in one account. And then you have, 2 million in another account. And this account increases by 1%, and this one decreases by 2% each year. And the question is, when will they be equal? So this account is getting bigger and this one's getting smaller, and at some point they'll be equal. How do you increase a number by 1%? You multiply it by 1.01. And how do you decrease a number by 2%? 0.98. Yeah. If you do this every year, you multiply by 1.01 again and again and again. So this is it after t years. After t years, you get a t in the power because you keep multiplying by 1.01. So actually, we just want to solve this equation. We can divide both sides by 1,000,000, and we get 0.98 power t here, like this. Now, what could we use next here? We could use logs, yeah? Yeah, so if I put a log, now the 2, I'll have to be very careful with the 2. In fact, do I want to... No, I'll put the log in. I'll just put it in here. Now, please be careful, because when it's multiply, it'll be log 2 plus log 0.98t. What can I do with the t? I can bring it down in the front. So I'll get t log 1.01 minus t log 0.98 equals log 2. So I'll get log 1.01 minus log 0.98 t equals log 2. So I'll have the answer t is log 2 over log 1.01 minus log 0.98. Can someone type that in, or can you hit that in the calculator? Yeah.
It's 34.5.
What is it?
34.5.
Is it 34.5?
Isn't it? Yeah. 35.5.
No, 1.0 minus. No.
How many the years it takes? Sorry.
Yeah.
7.
Do we have an answer?
22.9. Yeah, it's 23.
So basically 23 then. Yeah, okay. So this is 23 then.
No,
Why is it 34.7?
No,
Oh,
22.9.
No, but in the...
Hold on. My answer's wrong here, then I can fix it, no problem.
Oh, so
We'll be regraded automatically when I change the answer, so don't panic. My answer was marked as 34, but it should be 20. Well, did we type this in right? Are we?
Yeah.
It is 23?
Yeah.
Yeah?
22.987.
Okay, well, let me just change the answer, so. It'll change automatically, so.
No, I didn't.
why is it
Yeah, so what difference does it make? What is it? 20?
2.9.
Yeah, 20. Well, give me. It was 22.98. So, we'll allow for 0.1 error. So if you type in 23, it'll be fine. Okay. Save changes. Right, and I'll remark it then at the end of the quiz. Okay. Did some people get 23?
I didn't get that far.
I wrote 2.
2. Why not?
Okay.
Give it a go.
Just add 3 again.
All right. So the coefficient of x squared in kx minus 3. Okay. Kx minus 3 power 4 is 216. Sorry, the coefficient is 216. So the coefficient will be 4c2 kx squared minus 3 squared. That should equal, what did I say, 216? 216 x squared. So we don't really need the x squared. What's 4c2? 6, is it? So 6k squared times 9 equals 216. So, yeah, it'll be 216 over 54 square root. What's that? It's 2? No, but is it 2 on the calculator or 2 in my answer?
2, I don't know.
216.
The real answer is 2.
Yeah, okay. It's not 2? It is 2?
It is,
Okay.
it is.
Alright, the next one now. Find the 5th term in this sequence. You want me to go back to this one? Yeah? Yeah. Continue. Yeah. Right, find the 5th term in this sequence. And what do I say to start with? I say to start with 1. So the first term is 1. The second term will be 1 plus 1 over 1, which is 2. The third term will be 1 plus 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2. The fourth term will be 1 plus 2 over 3, which is 5 over
Yeah.
3.
5 over 2.
5 over 2?
And then you need to
This is 5 over 3.
Yeah.
1 plus 2 over 3 is 5 over 3.
No, it's 1 plus 3 over 2.
No, it's 1 plus 1 over 3 over 2.
Oh, okay.
1 over 3 over 2 is 2 over 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
X5 equals 1 plus 3 over 5, which is 8 over 5.
Yeah.
Which is, what's that? 1.6.
Yeah.
1.6.
Yeah.
I think most people got that. 1.6. Right, solve this, and then how many roots does it have? So what is it? X cubed plus 4 x squared, whoops, plus 4x
Yeah.
plus 3.
3 would be
Might be, we'll have to see. So first,
minus.
Only one root.
X minus 3.
we know that none of the positive values of x could be a root here because they're all positive. So we're going to have to start with minus 1. So if I was to try x equal minus 1, I'll get minus 1 plus 4 minus 4 plus 3. That doesn't look right. So I'll have to try minus 2. Minus 2 is not any good as well? No, so is it minus 3 then?
Yeah.
You get 0?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll divide x plus 3 into the cubic. And then that's x squared, x cubed plus 3x squared, x squared plus 4x plus 3, plus x, x squared plus 3x. Isn't that it? Yeah, x plus 3. So the last one is 1.
Yeah.
Now if you look at the discriminant here, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So this has no roots. So the only root you have is the one that you found at the start.
Yeah.
So there's only one root. So there's only one root here. Yeah. How many factors does it have? 2, yeah. But it has only one root.
I tried factorizing the x squared.
Oh yeah, that's not going to end well. Question? Yeah, did you get this one? Did you do long division?
Yeah, I did, but then I kind of missed it in the quadratic, and I counted that as missing. So.
Ah, okay, yeah, because I was just looking for roots. Okay, next now. What will we have next? Frozen. That's what we have. Yeah. Right. Line L is perpendicular to K, and K is 2x plus 4i equals 1. What's the slope of L? Okay, 2x plus 4y equals 1. Yeah, this one's not too bad. So you get 4y equals minus 2x plus 1. So y equals minus 2 over 4x, yeah, plus 1 over 4. So the slope here is minus a half, but you want the perpendicular slope, so flip it and change the sign. So the slope is 2 then. So 2 is the answer for this one. Calculate the sum from 1 to 10 of 1 over n. So it's just you could have used your calculator to calculate this, but it will just be 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. no other way to do it. So what do we get for one?
I don't have sigma on it.
You have it here.
93.
2.93 in total, was it?
Yeah.
Is there a way to like do that?
Not on this one.
No.
Oh, by the way, I found out the log term.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just basically divide.
Okay.
I think it's log 5 of 10, log 10 divided by log 5.
My answer? Or is 2 point...
Show me answer.
2.92.
It should be... Is it 2.92 or 2.93?
2.92.
If you round it. Yeah.
Oh, if you round it, it doesn't count?
Yeah, right.
No, it's okay if you round it. Right, this one, which rule is this one?
No, wait. The
C. C.
No, C. D. C.
No, which one?
It's the last one.
I got
It's the last
E.
one.
Oh.
It's different things.
Oh, I didn't
Yeah,
know.
it's this one. It's
Yeah,
this
yeah. Yeah, I got C though, yeah, but
Yeah.
you can still.
one. Okay. True or false? This has real factors. False. The discriminant is negative?
Yeah.
Has no roots even.
No.
I know, 'cause I
Hey,
tried,
come
it
on.
didn't work. I tried it just didn't work.
Where does this line cross the x-axis? 3x plus 4y minus 9. 3x plus 4y minus 9 equals 0. You make y equal to 0.
Yeah.
And you get 3x minus 9 equals 0. So x equals 3. So that's where it crosses the x-axis. So that one's okay. Crosses that 3. I know some people were typing in this.
Yeah.
I just wanted the 3 here. Okay, next. Do you need the answer here? Yeah, I want to know where it crossed the x-axis. So you make y equal to 0, and then you solve for x, and this is what you get.
It goes the other way, like you
Yeah.
have to find y and then
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it works the other way too. Yeah. Okay. Is this one okay now? Yeah. Next one is e power 2x equals 2ex minus 1. So this is e2x minus 2ex plus 1 equals 0. This is ex minus 1 times ex minus 1 when you factorize it. So you get ex equals 1, which means x must be 0, because only e power 0 makes 1. So the answer is 0 for this one. Only one answer here. Okay, let's see what we get next now. Right, this one here, for which value of or will this sequence be periodic? And the answer was the -1, because -1 would make the sequence switch between 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. So the answer was -1 for this
Why
one.
was it not minus 1 and 0?
This one here,
Because it's not equal to.
yeah, had to be...
If it was equal to, would it be correct? Like if you used minus.
No, because if I used -1/2, it wouldn't be periodic, because the values would be changing. It'd be half in each time. It has to be -1.
Only.
Only -1, yeah.
Only when I changed it to that.
No, I think
I know.
Okay, this one now. The line x plus y plus 1 equals 0. X squared plus y squared minus 1 equals 0. So what happens here is this line will meet this curve twice at 2 points. So let's find those 2 points. I can say y equals minus x minus 1 and put it in here. So I get x squared plus minus x minus 1 squared minus 1 equals 0. X squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals 0. 2x squared plus 2x equals 0, x squared plus x equals 0, x times x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals 0 or minus 1. If I put them in here, I can get the y's. So I'll get y equals minus 0 minus 1 is minus 1. And then the other one is minus 1 is 1. So 0. So my 2 points are 0, minus 1 and minus 1, 0. And I want the slope. So the m will be 0 minus 1 over minus 1 minus 0. 0 minus 1 over minus 1 minus 0. Yeah, it'll be 1 over minus 1. Minus 1 then is the answer for this one. You got that?
Yeah, I did write the right one.
It was a one linear and one quadratic. Okay, next one. Can I go to the next one? Yeah? Oh, this one's easy. You can use the remainder theorem. I noticed some people did long division, but if you use the remainder theorem and make x equal to 1, you get the remainder. So, which will be, what's the remainder here if I make x equal 1? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. 7. So the answer is 7 here. Remainder theorem. You make x equal 1, that's the remainder. Did you get 7 remainder? Well, there you go. 7 here. Okay, next. Simplify this. Square root 2, 4, 3. Fourth root of 3, and then 9, and then fourth root of 2, 4, 3. So let's see. 9 goes into this, doesn't it? Let me see. 2 with 6, 27 times? 27. And this will be fourth root of 3 over 2, 4, 3. Now, 3 goes into the top and the bottom. So 3 goes into 3 once, and then this will be 81 times. This is going to be square root of 27, and then this will be the fourth root of 81 power minus 1, which will be 27 fourth root of 81 is 3 power 4.
That's how it was.
Yeah, and then this will be 27 3 power minus 4 times 1 over 4. Yeah, it'll be root 27 times 3 minus 1, which will be root 27 over 3, which is root 9, which is 3 then. Okay. So, you can do it without a calculator, you get 3 at the end.
I did it with it, but I did it wrong.
You did it wrong?
Yeah.
Great. Do you know what was wrong?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, 3 is the answer here. Okay, next. The line y equals 1 minus a half x. So this line here crosses the x and y axis at 2 places. What will this point here be? It'll be 1. When you make x 0, you get y equals 1. And here, when you make y 0, what's x? If you make y 0, what do you get for x? No. No, minus 1 equals minus a half x.
Oh.
2. What's the base?
2.
And the height?
1.
1. So the area is a half 2 times 1, which is 1.
I saw it. You make the y due.
For this one? Yeah, to find here. You make y 0. Yes.
Just that one or two.
Yes.
I mean, this one I got correct.
Good, alright. So here's 1. Right, x squared plus x minus 1.
What's another one?
X squared plus x minus 1. What's the x? Minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. X equals minus 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. X equals minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. What's that, please?
0.6180.
0.6180. Okay. Why did I not bother with the minus answer? I said positive in it, yeah. 4 decimal places, so 0.6180. Okay.
I took it to 3 and 7, so it's the same thing.
Yeah. The third term is 8, and the 8th term is 256, and I wanted to know what's the OR. Yeah, so this is A or, let me do this one first. A or 7 equals 256, and A or squared equals 8. How can I combine these? Divide them. The A's cancel, and I get OR power 5 equals, what's that, 32, is it?
Yeah, 32.
So then OR is the 5th root of 32, which is 2.
That's just 2?
You were 7.
Did I?
Oh, that's what, yeah, I got
Then I'll just change that answer now.
Did I get it right? Did I get it right?
Well, congratulations, then you will increase your grade by 4%.
How many?
Yeah, me too. No, I put 12.
I got close to.
It's not 12, then you're way off.
Yeah, it was 11, not 12.
12
It's not 7.
12 over.
You said before 10. No,
Yeah.
plus 1, 11.
Now plus, what's another one?
What's the other one?
3 and 9.
I did ask for the OR, not the A, didn't
Yeah.
I? Yeah, okay.
That's 1, 4, 4.
What's wrong?
So,
Did you see it?
It's just saving now. So if you enter 2, you'll get the marks for that later then when it regrades. Okay, save changes. See, I gave you 2 hours. That's too much time. We're flying through them. Yeah. Okay. Did I hit save here? I think it's loading. Yeah, here we go. Right, so the answer was 2. Okay, nearly finished now. Yeah. 25. Every day some data on your storage device is damaged. For each day that passes a total of 1,000 of 1% is damaged. After 10 years, how much has been damaged? Okay. Okay. So, we imagine our data device has, at the beginning, 100% working perfectly normal. Then, after, what did I say, 1 day, is it? Yeah, 1,000 of 1%. Listen, so after 1 day, we decrease it by 1,000 of 1%. So just be very, very careful. If I wrote 0.01, that's 1%. Yeah? 0.001, that's 1/10 of a percent. 0.1 is 100th of a percent. So this is how many zeros you should have for 1,000 of a percent. Now that's for 1 day. No, actually, wait, no. I wanted to know, I'm trying to work out how much is okay, not how much is broken first. So it's 100% times 0.99999. Okay. So after 1 day, this is how much is okay, how much is still working. After 1 year, it's this much, and then after 10 years, it'll be this much. So 100% times 0.999993650. Can I have that calculator, please? Thank you. 0.99999 power 3650. So this is 100% times 0.96416. Well, yeah, that's it. No, 964157. Yeah, so 42. So that means 96.42% is still okay after 10 years. But I think the question said how much is damaged. And the answer then, if this is how much is okay, then it would be, it would be 3.58% or 584. No, I only wanted 3 significant figures, so 3.58%. Question, yeah?
I don't really understand how we got the 0.00001.
This is 1%. Or maybe if you prefer, think about it like this. This is 99%. If 1% is damaged, how much is okay? 99%, which is this.
How that is 99%.
Oh, this was a trick I showed you in class a few weeks ago, that if you want to decrease the number to 99% its value, you multiply by 0.99. If you want to increase it by 1%, you multiply by 1.01.
Yeah, I understood that.
Okay.
But then that's not correct. I just crammed that, so.
Okay, but so you're not happy with this?
Mm.
Okay. So what do I need to make you happy with it? What I'm saying is, if you have a number, it doesn't matter what it is, 120 euros, and you want to reduce it to 99% of its value, you multiply it by 0.99. But you know how to do this from elementary school, because in elementary school your teacher will tell you to multiply by 99 over 100.
Yeah. But then,
But what?
no, because if...
Migraine.
No. If you're doing 1,000, that's like 1 over...
No, I know 1,000, yeah, I was doing 99 here as an example, so 1,000 of a percent is damaged. So this is 1% is damaged, leaves you with 99.
Yeah.
1/10 of 1% would leave you with 99 and 9/10%. Then this is 100, and then this is 1,000. No.
I don't even get it. 99 over 100 is 0.99.
Look, I don't know.
Like he was doing like 99 over 1,000.
No, it's 99 over 100. That's percent per 100.
Hang on. I don't know how I can make this. If you want, for example, 20%, you can just do that as 20 over 100.
Yeah.
Fine. If you want 1%, that's 1 over 100. If you want 1/10 of a percent, that's 1/10 over 100.
Ah, that's
Okay, all right. So I can continue. Right. What was my answer? 3.58%. Now, if you type in, I think if you type in 3.58 or 0.0358, both would be okay. I wonder if I need the percent symbol here. Let me just check. Guys, for this answer, you can type in 3.58% or 0.0358 are the two acceptable answers for this one. Two power 3x plus 1 equals 3 power 2x minus 1. So, what do we put on both sides? Log and log. 3x plus 1 log 2 equals 2x minus 1 log 3. 3 log 2 x plus log 2 equals 2 log 3 x minus log 3. 3 log 2 minus 2 log 3 x equals minus log 2 minus log 3, and then we just divide. 3 log 2 minus 2 log 3, and let's just type that in. Minus log 2 minus log 3 over 3 log 2 minus 2 log 3. Was it 15.2? 15.2. Okay. Which one are we at? 2 questions left. Yeah, where did these 2 lines meet? So that was just a simultaneous equation. 2x plus 3y equals 6, and x plus y equals 1.
If you equate it, won't it give you the same answer?
What I'm going to do here is multiply this one by 2, something like that. So 2, 2, and 2, and subtract, and here you'll get y equals 4. And if I put that back in there, x plus y equals 1, x plus 4 equals 1, yeah? So x equals minus 3. So you should have got minus 3 and 4. Minus 3 and 4. Last question. Here we go. Where's the vertex? Now, so many people in the exam first use the minus b, the quadratic formula, but it's wrong. Okay, so first we have to take out the 2. X squared minus 2x plus a half, and this will be 2x minus 1 squared, and this is a half minus 1, isn't it? Which is minus a half? Was that it? So this will be 2x minus 1 squared minus 1. So the vertex is at 1 and minus 1. So 1 and minus 1. Incomplete answer. Didn't say for 25. Well,
I wrote a correct answer. What? Minus 1 and 1.
oh, okay, so I need to type it in as...
So you got it right.
Yeah, I think if you leave out the percent, would have been okay as well.
It's the wrong way around.
What is?
My answer.
His Y was last one.
Yeah.
Finish attempt.
Minus 1.
You wrote them backwards.
I wrote minus 1 and 1.
Well, that's wrong.
No. I lost like 4 stupid marks because it didn't ranking for me. So.
Yeah, I mean, 3 is to do it once.
Now we just want to make sure. I should have them right. It doesn't look like it's telling me if it's right or wrong.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Go ahead.
It's finished anyway.
You're not a student.
I think it's because the quiz is actually closed. Right. Okay, so there's the quiz. Yeah, I know it was difficult, but you had a lot of time to do it, though. You had like an hour, 45 minutes or something to do it. Oh, great. All right, let the other ones in.
We're 2 days for the next class.
No, you're not.